Welcome to a journey around the world without ever leaving home. Today, we're exploring global interiors that celebrate culture, craftsmanship, and creativity. From airy Balinese villas to cozy French cottages, each space tells a story. And maybe you'll find inspiration for your own home along the way. Let's begin in Bali, where homes open seamlessly into nature. Wide, open-air layouts with teakwood furniture and carved doors set the stage. Rattan chairs and bamboo accents are paired with soft, flowing curtains that catch the tropical breeze. Balinese homes often feature lush indoor plants, lotus ponds, and earthy tones accented by gold or bronze details. The overall feeling is serenity and connection to nature. Think of breezy white curtains swaying with the wind, hand-carved wooden furniture, and woven rattan accents that echo the spirit of island living. Tropical greenery, palms, monsteras, and orchids brings the outdoors in, while soft bamboo lighting creates a serene glow. It's the kind of space that feels like waking up in a luxury retreat, even if you're just at home. From the lush tropics of Bali, we drift across the sea to the sun-warmed coasts of the Mediterranean. Here, whitewashed walls meet terracotta floors, while arched doorways frame views of olive groves and the sparkling sea. Wrought iron balconies, colorful mosaic tiles, and rustic wood beams add timeless character. Kitchens feature long farmhouse tables and copper pots proudly on display. Imagine whitewashed walls and soft stone textures, paired with terracotta pottery and sun-kissed blues. Mediterranean boho brings a relaxed coastal charm. Wicker furniture, linen bedding, and airy fabrics that invite the breeze. It's warm. It's timeless. A Mediterranean home feels like a celebration of sun, food, and family. From seaside stone villas, we head south into vibrant interiors full of color, rhythm, and heritage. Afro-boho style bursts with bold textiles and earthy textures, while carved stools, mud cloth, and kente patterns layer over natural wood. It's eclectic and soulful. Woven baskets climb walls like artwork, and clay pots add grounding. So, Afro-boho design thrives on bold patterns, earthy palettes, and textures with depth. Picture mudcloth prints layered with rich woven fabrics, dark woods paired with natural clay accents, and art that tells stories of heritage. Add woven baskets, carved stools, or beaded details, and you get a space that celebrates culture while still feeling soulful and inviting. A design language that celebrates culture and community. From bold African textures, we wander north to France, where rustic romance and soft elegance create a world of their own. French cottages are cozy, lived in, and utterly charming. Distressed wood furniture sits alongside stone fireplaces. Linen and lace soften every space. French cottage boho is romantic and cozy, with vintage-inspired furniture, distressed woods, and soft pastel tones. Think lace curtains, floral prints, and antique mirrors layered with woven baskets and natural fibers. It's a look that feels both rustic and whimsical, as though each piece was collected over generations and arranged with care. And kitchens are adorned with copper pots and ceramic pitchers. Fresh lavender or roses are never far away. It's rustic comfort made chic. Our journey leads us into the desert, where Moroccan and Middle Eastern design dazzles with pattern, color, and magic. Lanterns cast patterned shadows across mosaic-tiled walls. Low poufs and layered rugs invite you to sink in, sip tea, and stay a while. Arched doorways and carved screens add mystery, while bold colors and metallic accents bring the entire space to life. It's design as celebration, intimate, warm, and a little bit magical. Moroccan boho design is rich, vibrant, and layered with history. Low seating, poufs, and carved wooden tables create a sense of intimacy and warmth. Hand-woven rugs with bold geometric patterns ground the room in texture and tradition. Decorative tiles and ornate mirrors add shimmer and artistry, catching light from every angle. It's a style that feels both luxurious and soulful. A bedroom that transports you to a faraway market filled with color, fragrance, and magic. Mexican boho design is alive with color, pattern, and personality. Picture vibrant textiles draped across the bed, serapes, embroidered blankets, or hand-woven throws. Layer bold patterned pillows that instantly lift the space. Terracotta floors and rustic wooden furniture ground all that color with an earthy, authentic feel. Decorative tiles in blues, reds, and yellows add playful energy and bring warmth to the walls or furniture accents. Handmade pottery and folk art make every corner feel personal and soulful. Cacti, succulents, and hanging greenery thrive in this setting, adding life and texture to the room. The result is a style that balances rustic charm with bold creativity. We journey back east, where Thailand greets us with rich wood, silk textures, and a sense of serenity. Teakwood furniture anchors each space, often with carved details that reflect centuries of craftsmanship. Jewel-toned silk pillows and lotus motifs bring life and elegance. Thai-inspired boho blends exotic elegance with tranquil simplicity. Carved teak wood headboards set the stage with natural richness. Silk pillows in deep jewel tones and golden accents shimmer softly in the light. Lotus motifs and hand-painted details layer in artistry and cultural depth. Woven bamboo textures bring balance, grounding the room in natural beauty. Add hanging lanterns, low platform beds, and floor cushions to capture that grounded, serene feeling. Thai boho isn't just decorative. It evokes the peace of a temple or retreat, a bedroom that feels sacred, balanced, and serene. Our tour around the world reminds us that decor is more than furniture. It's memory, culture, and connection. Whether you lean toward minimal Bali, rustic Mediterranean, bold Afro-boho, or romantic French, your home can carry a piece of the world with it. Which destination spoke to you the most? Thank you for joining us on our journey around the globe in bohemian design. Like and subscribe for more great design ideas.